got a Sprinter van here today with the bonnet up, and we're going to be checking a few things what you can check at home to keep your vehicle maintained. So when you lift the bonnet, this is what you'll see. You'll find coolant. When topping up the coolant, just make sure that it's between minimum and maximum, which is clearly labelled on the reservoir. Here you can see again, clearly labelled with the oil symbol, that this is where you would top up the oil. You've got your Screenwash bottle here, and this is where you would top it up. And you can do this by just popping the lid and putting your mix in. So everything I've shown you today under the bonnet will be checked on an annual service, but if there's anything you're unsure of, don't hesitate to come into one of our dealerships and we'll check it for you. So that was a quick overview of what's under the bonnet on most of our Mercedes-Benz van range. Check out our other videos for more and subscribe.